Right now, Coronado looking beautiful. It is very cloudy here, but that's the good news as far as your commute goes, because then we're not dealing with any fog. However, the farther inland you are, we are dealing with areas of fog. Ramona seems to be our trouble spot this morning. Visibility there holding steady at less than half a mile. And Escondido and Poway, especially at some of the higher elevations, may be dealing with a little bit of fog. And then once you get to the main roads, should be mostly good for you, but just something to keep in mind up in the North County. Dealing with some fog to start off our morning, and the next couple of days expected to see a lot of that because that marine layer is going to be pretty persistent. We're going to see slower clearing as well, but not more humid. That humidity is going to be staying to the east of us as the monsoon stays to the east. Temperatures starting off on a really mild note in the mid-60s for most of us. In fact, look at that, Ramona, 59 degrees to start off our morning. So the cooler weather we can thank this storm system for it. It's going to be pulling in much cooler air, strengthening the sea breeze, ushering in that deeper marine layer through midweek. Tomorrow, expecting to see only uneven clearing. That will actually be our coolest day of the week when highs will be close to 15 degrees below average for some inland areas. The monsoon stays further off to the east. We will see slower clearing of the clouds today and tomorrow, and temperatures well below average through midweek. Also pretty gusty winds in our mountains and deserts, along with lower humidity levels there, so fire danger is going to be a little elevated for our mountains and deserts through midweek. Along the coastline, we're in the mid-70s. Tomorrow, we may only see some partial clearing at some of our beaches because the marine layer is going to be pretty thick tomorrow. Inland neighborhoods, we're in the 70s Tuesday and Wednesday. Highs for this time of the year normally about 88, 89 degrees, so well below that. And for our mountain areas, also getting a break from the heat. Temperatures in the mid-70s, back into the 80s, but still really nice all week. Lots of sunshine out here as well, but the winds could be an issue in the afternoons and evenings through Wednesday. Kalina?